have to carry 4 cameras everywhere I go for some reason. So I have this camera, I have a Polaroid, I got the big camera, and there's a drone in my pocket. So rules are rules.
Right now.
Tell me who you are, get in the car.
Right now.
Reach for the stars, I want it all.
Right now.
Welcome to one of the coolest places on earth. Hold on, we're getting there.
I'm just being background with this.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We are day 3 in Iceland, and we are at the Vesturhorn mountain range, which you can see behind me. Pretty bad ass. We just walked up on this old Viking village with this ship that's still docked in this little lake. We're gonna explore it a little bit, and I think we might just have to maybe get the FPV drone up in the air. What do you think, Nate?
Always got to get them bangers.
This is Shuda. You guys met Shuda. He's normally on the fishing boat, but I had to drag him to Iceland because we heard there was a bunch of bangers out here. So we're gonna check out this little village and we'll see what we see.
Me and Sawyer have said, you're just so close to something, it still fucking seems fake. I said fuck.
Uber Eats for Kathy. We got a Panera bread bowl. No?
Yeah, if you want to take one step to the left, yeah, look a little, yeah, farther to the right, yeah, right there. Take a couple steps forward if you could. Wait, no, not over there. No, back over here. Never listen.
Viking village at Vesturhorn was pretty sweet. We just drove about 2.5 hours through the highlands to our next location for the day. Is called Hengifoss, a waterfall. And I believe both of us seriously underestimated this hike. Or what? 1/5 of the way up. My heart rate is 706, so we're gonna keep moving. See you at the top. Shuda McCoughlin just getting bangers on the way up.
Still out of shape.
We're almost there though. Destination in sight.
1.16 miles in.
freaking skies behind us. We made it to the top. You know, I have one complaint about Iceland while Nate flies the drone and is getting some bangers. They built all these waterfalls at the very top of the mountain. So you have to hike up here just to see them. When they built them, I think they should have built them like more accessible, but that's neither here nor there, I guess. You guys want to see the view? I'll show it to you, but first, since I did all the work and you're sitting on your couch or maybe the toilet watching this, you gotta hit subscribe first. I'll give you a few seconds. All right, now I'll show it to you. Was I recording?
Let's get it poppin', I'm looking away. Go tell mother I'm cooking the game. Flow like water bubbling up where you want me to make. Taking you back in the day, feeling immaculate, mate. Action packed back to back while you yapping away. I got a knack to react, but I'm packing a grace. Up to the max with a fact, let me grab the space. I had to map the place, who got a laughing face? Long and strong, looking like a stack full of hate. It goes on and on, way to the back of the bank. This phenomenon's on, I don't even have to say. I'm where I belong, this no back in the, you know. I go where I wanna, a fair warning for anybody with hair on them. You can't stop me, it gets sloppy to bear on them. They try copy, but man, look at the tears on them. Mishpat, yeah, so incredible. When you're this good, go let them know. Yeah, so incredible. When you're this good, go let them know. They ain't never hear a band like this. They ain't never seen a man like this. Go let them know. They ain't never hear a band like this. They ain't never seen a man like this. Go let them know. Flow's incredible, look at them anxious. You can't go against the creed like Jonathan Major. Gotta see it to believe it, come do me a favor. Look at the paper, peeping the cadence. Life here, then it's gone, you ain't know it's a vapor. Gotta travel, carry on, bring your people to make us. See the world cast perfect.
10 out of 10 recommend Hengifoss though. We forgot something, so Nate's running back to go get it. He's gonna run back now at me. Find me, knowing where to find me, wrapped in the wings of the mighty. So many ups wanna try me, seeing what I got, it's a luck and a bluff, kinda timely, I'm gone. Yeah, so. Found a sandwich laying on the path on the way down, so I just snagged it. Hengifoss, highly recommend, right Nate?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Bangers. We didn't leave any bangers, so you're gonna have to let them rebuild before you come, but recommend it. We're gonna hit the road, head to the next few spots. I think a couple waterfalls are in our future still. A couple beers, maybe a hot tub. We're gonna have to see, but I guess we'll just cue the travel montage, right? Go.
Yeah. So incredible, still doing a lot, ain't never doing the minimal. That there is critical.
What did we see, Nate?
Cinnamon teal.
Is that
You don't believe me, but it is.
Is that a flavor of cereal?
Want to grab my Banger 3000 back there? It's right here back behind me.
We have to stop for a bird.
Hopefully my settings are right. We'll just click it to A and spray and pray, baby.
Where's this bird at, Nate?
Where you going?
He's calling
Oh
you.
shit, it's behind us. Can you please quiet down? Oh, it's not a cinnamon teal.
Mmm.
It's a freaking sapsucker. Screw that thing. I just don't want to take.
Over here, take the picture, man.
Well, I just fucked up all kinds of stuff. My aperture is at like 9 million. That was an ISO for no reason at all. What is going on?
There she is.
There's one over here too.
We got the Cinnamon Toast Crunch bird.
No, we didn't. It wasn't what I thought it was.
This Fruit Loop bird, mistaken. Back on the road.
Cause you're the next true parent.
the freaking wall on this thing, dude. Nice here.
That's gonna be above the roof. It's gonna be above the Jeep.
Oh yeah, it is.
Easily.
Oh my goodness. This is awesome.
Did not expect this.
Oh, got some drift here. She's really icy. It's kind of like ice balls instead of snow.
How would you describe that trek, Nathan?
A lot of deep snow, a bunch of ice, a lot of melting snow. It was pretty cool.
Somewhat treacherous, but pretty awesome.
Oh yeah.
We made it to, don't remember the name of this waterfall. Came all this way, we gotta walk up there, yeah? Ooh, a little swampy. Let's see what we see. Oh yeah, oh man. It's a little frosty, huh?
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
I wasn't expecting to see all that snow.
Yeah. If you're not scared to climb, this is the place. We were down there by that lady. But we're men, we climb! I ate it earlier, got up to the top, realized my drone fell out of my pocket, but we found her. Let's get her in the air. Alright, we survived the trek through the Arctic tundra of the 6-foot deep snow. We have made our way onto a new peninsula close to where we're, wait till you see where we're going to be staying. But now we got another giant waterfall. I'll just show you. Nate's bringing me the Gufu waterfall, where your boy is out here trying not to fall in the water. Not too shabby. You see Nate? Nate's up there doing Nate things. Just getting the bangers. He's got it. He got the bang. Did you get it?
There's a banger right here. I'm getting it.
Did you get it?
Yeah,
He can't.
We do it in style. We do it in style. Give it to 'em now. We can move any way we wanna move. Style. We can do anything we want to. We can move any way we wanna move. We do it in style.
So many waterfalls here. I got lost. I thought I was at this waterfall flying my drone, but I was half a mile away at a different waterfall. And I'm like, I can't find myself, so I look at the GPS and I'm down the road. So, I think that's gonna end the waterfall excursions for the day. I'm gonna walk across these rocks, try not to hurt myself. We're probably gonna go find a case of beer and some pizza, and we'll see ya back at the house. Nate's seen another magic bird. What's this one called, Nate? It's a Harlequin. Nate's gonna sneak up on this thing and get the fuck. He's gonna sneak up and get the banger, and I'll show it to you.
Come on, jump up right here. They're gonna jump.
Did you get one?
Oh yeah, I got tons bangers on that one. Bangers fucking acquired. They let me go.
Careful of this, it's already falling off. Did you get him?
Oh yeah. They fucking let me get as close as I wanted to.
Oh, all right, y'all, we made it to our place for the night. Got this cute little cozy cabin. The cabin's cute, but what do you think about the view, Nate?
That's okay.
Not too shabby, if we do say so ourselves. I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I think what we'll do is end it with a little FPV action of the cabin here. Let me go fire it up. We'll see you at the next one.